This video is going to show you how to create an absence in EasyConnect. Once logged into your account, navigate to the EasyConnect menu and click Create Absence. From here, your location and employee group will already be selected, and a replacement may already be indicated. If you do not need a replacement, you can simply select No. Add any assignment details you'd like to share with the replacement employee, and you can select any flags that might be relevant to your assignment. You're then able to select the date that you're going to be absent. And the times can be adjusted if you're away for less than a full day. You can either use the toggle or you can free text in the end time. Choose your assignment and the reason that you're absent. And you can simply click OK to proceed. EasyConnect will be added automatically and you can click Save. Once EasyConnect finds a replacement, you will receive an email letting you know that your absence has been filled. And if you need to review any of your absences, you can do that under EasyConnect on the My Absences page. Now, if you do need to create a multi-day absence, you can do that as well. Go back to Create Absence, choose the start date of your absence, and then simply click Add Days, and you'll be able to add in an end date. If you're away consecutively, leave all the days checked, but if you're not away consecutively, you can uncheck one of the days to amend your absence accordingly, and then proceed to choose your assignment and again, the reason you're away. Once you click OK, if you have selected yes to a replacement, EasyConnect will be automatically added. And again, saving that absence, you will get a confirmation email that the absence was created successfully. So will your principal or school admin. And again, you will receive an email once the replacement has been filled. If you do create a multi-day assignment like this, then EasyConnect will find you one replacement to fill all of the days. And if you need to deactivate your absence, you are able to do that by clicking Deactivate Absence. It will ask you for a reason for deactivation. Put in your reason and click OK. And if for any reason you do not see the Deactivate Absence button on the bottom of your screen, then you can reach out to your school directly and a school admin can deactivate the absence on your behalf. If you have any questions at all, you can reach out. On the bottom of the page is a Contact Us, and you can either give us a call or send us an email. We're available Monday to Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 7 p.m., and we'd be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching.